guys, so today we're unboxing again some food. So it's a ready to eat food guys from Cook Unity. Ayan, from Cook Unity. And then we have this, bag. It delivered with this ayan, from Cook Unity. So we're gonna be unbox or unpack this food. So we're gonna look at it. Oh, so they have chicken California chopped salad. Ayan, we'll see. Oh, ayan siya guys. Ayan, ganyan siya. Chicken. Ayan, chicken California chopped salad. Ayan. Ayan. So there are so iba pala to. Ito, grilled vegetable salad with chicken breast. Grilled vegetable salad with chicken breast. Ayan. Tapos, ito is grilled chicken Caesar salad. All salad, guys. Ayan. Iba naman ito. So, it's grilled chicken salad, Caesar salad. So, 3 of them are salad. From Cook Unity. So, there is baked sway in Cajun pan sauce. Baked sway Cajun sauce. Iyan naman ang Isora Cajun. So, it's a chicken Cajun. Ayan. Zucchini pepper saute. Ayan. Preheat. So, i-microwave mo lang to. And then, inside the box, guys, mayroong ice pack. So, may ice pack. Tapos, mayroong, dito? Cook Unity. Say yes to support local. So, this is local. It's different from Factors. It's more cheaper than Factors company. So, more flavorful, more experience, more meal, and look at shit. So, oh my God. So, they have this one. Classic shrimp Caesar salad. So, it's all about salad. So, we're gonna open this one. So, this is the classic shrimp Caesar salad. So, this one naman is different. It's salad. It's with shrimp. Ayan. And there's another one here. Cheesy keto chicken parm bowl. Ayan. It's all chicken, guys. So, ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan siya ng hitsura. It's all delicious, healthier, and that's it. There's no more. So, if you wanna go and check. So, by the way, guys, this is unsponsored video. So, this is unsponsored video from Cook Unity and crafted by award-winning chef. So, crafted by award-winning chef. And this one, you could save this bag if you wanna go to grocery store and you have to buy some rich fruit like, like milk, chicken, beef, pork. So, you could serve here, especially on the summertime kasi mainit, to keep it warm. So, to keep it, cold. Or if you have food also to keep it warm. So, you could use this one because it's insulated bag. So it's double purpose. We will not throw this one. The only we will throw is this one. If you wanna inquire, so this is their website if you wanna order. So thank you guys. Hope you like my unboxing. So right now I have to put this food over here. I don't know if it's fully packed. I don't know if okay, I can store it here. So I'll put it in the second. So yeah. So it's all here. I don't know if I Okay, now in the refrigerator, and hope you like this unboxing. Don't forget to click the notification bell if you're not subscribed yet, and please leave a comment so I can get back to you. And thank you for watching. Hope you like my video and have a wonderful day. Advance Thanksgiving, guys. Love you all. Bye bye.